Good morning. Worked on this all day yesterday. Went to sleep for like 30 seconds. Woke up and I'm ready to work on it again. So when able to get this, I need to cut this lip off the bottom here. I'm also cutting just the back for now. Fender well off right here. Just because I really don't need any mud flaps on this truck since it's going to be off-road only. Who welded this? Got 32 inches. Need to put some gloves on. Where did the gloves go? Need to protect my hands. When floaty. Disperse the weight, should be able to pop it. Happy to show you. Yes, I like it. Here's the deal. Since before I can cut that out, I want to save this gas door, and so I don't really have to patch right here on both sides. I kind of want to just cut this out, and I can save it for later. So. Do that really quick. That was not straight at all, but I just cut the template that shape, and I'm sure it will be fine. I'll be able to use this gas door, you know, for something else, or maybe even on this truck. I'll figure that out. So, anyways, got these two studs that mount the back of the bed to the frame originally, but I have since cut those holes off and threw them in a pile over there. So if I just drill some new holes, and I'll have a mounting point on each corner of this bed. Voila. So just need to drill a hole right here and right here, and I'll set this bed down one more time, and hopefully all the lines down the side of the bed will match up and we'll be good. So I'm gonna try. Alright, so I'm gonna drill some holes. By the way, if you're subscribed and you want to see more stuff like this, alright, so cool. I think I'm gonna start off with a little drill bit and then use the Christmas tree one to make it bigger. Kind of see. That's pretty straight. All right. Where I finish weld or continue to weld anything else is flex the rear wheels out to make sure that my tires are actually going to clear the wheel wells. If you're interested to know how I got front springs into the frame, I did make a video showing all that. A 40-inch tire would come out to about there. So I think I have something there, but I gotta come up another 4 or 5 inches. So what do you think I should do? Let's do that. Let's just cut this lip off and all the fender in front of it, and we'll see how well it fits after that. So I don't want to cut that much off. I can always cut more. It's more easier to cut off than it is to add back to. So. There it stops. Okay. So we hit the back. What? Well, it makes sense. As the suspension lifts, the radius moves the wheels backward. Wheelbase gets longer. But a lot more comfortable cutting off some of the back than I am on the front. I do want it to look just touching. So probably have a 1/4 inch here, 1/4 inch there. It's touching here, so I should probably take a 1/4 inch off of that. So that little corner right there needs to get patched to match the other side. Of course, I'll have my slider, a 3x6 or 2x6 slider to go from tire to tire. And then back here, gotta clean this up, cut and fold that so I can make a bumper. And the bumper will match up here probably. So that's not too bad, and that is quite a bit of flex. That's full bump. So would look pretty cool. But unfortunately, this is right height. I have to have some up travel. Ending up with 6 inches up travel in the rear, 4.5 inches in the front. And then as much down travel as I want in the rear, and probably 5 or 6 inches down travel in the front. So not bad. Alright, well my plan is to take some of this scrap metal here. Put my gloves on so I don't cut myself, because that would not be good. new glove shirt shoe. Alright, so I flattened this out pretty good. Used a hammer, flat surface. Just in here. I'm going to trace it right here. Like this. And I'm also going to trace it on the inside without hurting myself, please. I know where to cut on the inside and on the outside. And, all right. And hopefully, if I cut it good enough, this will be a perfect piece to tack weld and patch back in. Just like that. Cut that radius, cut this square, line right up, tack it in. And I gotta do it twice on the other side. Once on here, and then I could weld the inner fender into the outer fender. And then I can get that all body work up later. Okay, cut this piece out. And with a little bit of sanding here and there, I think it would fit pretty good. It's not pretty, but and it's looking more and more like Frankenstein than a Bluemanche, but that's patch. Do some body filler, some sanding, paint it Rust-Oleum Professional Blue, and all good. Built for rock crawling. Finish all that up. This thing will be ready for a fuel tank and the rest of that. Fuel tank, battery box, transmission cooler, bed liner and paint, and tailgate. Yes, I like it.